Welcome to our channel where today we're diving into easy steps to fix login issues in the Fidelity Investments app so you can get back to managing your investments smoothly. Welcome to our channel. If you've been facing problems logging into the Fidelity Investments app, don't worry, you're not alone and there are straightforward ways to resolve these issues. Let's walk through the step-by-step process to help you get back into your account quickly and securely. First, ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Often, login problems stem from weak Wi-Fi or cellular network disruptions. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to check if connectivity is the root cause. Second, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Visit the App Store on your device, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and check if an update is available. Running an outdated app can sometimes prevent login due to security improvements or bug fixes in newer versions. Third, clear the app's cache and data. On Android devices, go to Settings App's Fidelity Investments Storage and then clear cache and data. On iOS devices, you might need to uninstall and reinstall the app to clear accumulated data. This step helps in removal of corrupted files that may interfere with logging in. Fourth, double-check your login credentials. Verify that you are entering the correct username and password linked to your Fidelity Investments account. If you forgot your password, use the Forgot Password link in the app to reset it via your registered email or phone number. Fifth, enable two-factor authentication correctly if you have it set up. Sometimes, delays in receiving security codes or time synchronization issues on your device can cause authentication failures. Make sure your device time settings are automatic and that you have a good signal to receive SMS or authenticator app codes. Sixth, disable any VPN or proxy connections temporarily. These services can sometimes block access or cause security flags in the Fidelity app. Try logging in with these services turned off. Seventh, check for any account restrictions or holds by logging into Fidelity through their website on a desktop browser. Sometimes login issues in the app are due to account status problems that require resolution through customer support. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact Fidelity Investments support directly. They can provide personalized assistance and verify any back-end issues. Remember to have your account details ready and explain the steps you've already tried. Fixing login issues in the Fidelity Investments app usually involves checking connectivity, updating the app, clearing cache, verifying credentials, adjusting security settings, and if needed, reaching out for support. Following these steps methodically will help you regain access with confidence. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tech tips and finance app tutorials. We appreciate your support and look forward to helping you navigate your investment tools with ease.